Hey guys, welcome back to TW Racing. Today we have a special guest, Adam.
What's up, brother?
What's up? Long
Good to
time
be
no
here.
see, man.
Long time no see.
Yep.
Today I brought my bike, a 2015 Kawasaki H2. I'm here to customize my suspension. And today we pick our candy green to match our frame, our vinyl wrap, and the whole bike.
And it's done. Now we are taking it out for a ride.
Let's go!
Hey Adam, what do you think about our suspension?
Well, it's awesome. As soon as we came out of the company, I felt the difference because the original one, OEM one on my bike, really stiff, really hard.
You choose the green one?
Yeah, I choose the green one to match my bike. What is awesome is we can also add a titanium on it.
And how does your settings feels?
It was actually pretty good because we have bumpy road in Taiwan and the rebound felt really nice. When you're riding, you can just get off the bike and just adjust. You want softer, you want harder, and you don't need tools, you just turn it. You know, right side tighty, left side loosey. Well, after the test, I think the suspension is really good. So if you guys want to customize your suspension, feel free to reach out.
Thanks Adam for sharing the suspension. And see you guys later.
Peace.